Gold and silver both have dipped sharply yesterday. Specifically, gold has come back again to the support levels at 1940. 1940, my favorite level, has yet again provided it a very good support, and now it is seeing a rise after achieving the bottom. At the same time, for silver, 2360 was a very good support. I will tell you why once we get into the charts, and precisely now trying to bounce back. So, what to expect today? Remember, today is a big day when not only the PPI data from US but also the interest rate hike decision, which mostly are expecting Fed to pause. At the same time, the most important thing is the projections, which everyone will be looking into, that when can we expect the rate cuts in future, and that is why more volatility can be expected later in the day, and hence you have to trade with caution, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now, what to expect today, which position you should take, and at what levels, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The next update will be released before the US session, before the US PPI data. Do watch that, definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. And now let's have a look at the hourly charts here. For gold, you'll find that, see, on the hourly charts, you'll find that after hitting the bottom, it has seen a retracement, then consolidation, then lower highs, and then this sharp drop. Now again, 1940 levels have come to the rescue, and with that as support, gold is trying to retrace. Now once again, remember the fact that 1967-72, yesterday also we discussed about the same thing, 1967-72 zone precisely, gold reversed from 1971.6. Now it is trying to reverse. There is a possibility that it can try to retrace 1955-1960 zone, which is a greater resistance, and at those levels we will see how it behaves. Staying above 1960 only, further bullishness can be expected. Now if you look at, yes, support is seen at 1940, then at 1944. With that as support, it is trying to rise, possibly beyond 1950 levels. There could be a little more rise, where you can expect 1954-57 zone. This is a good resistance zone, and if it stays above, more bullishness can be expected there. Directional movement on the hourly charts is bearish. Stochastic, after a little retracement, has come back to overbought zone. At the same time, look at MACD. This has hit a bottom now, crossed over, trading with divergence, looking bullish, looking upward. See, it has got a fat belly here, and hence it can try to pull up in a faster pace. Now look at the 2-hour. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, after the drop, looking forward to retrace. This is a zone where it is going to get the maximum resistance at around 1954-1960 zone. This is the levels which I will wait for it to break past by. Staying above 1960, certainly more bullishness, but then 1967-72 is the next resistance zone. Right now it is looking upwards. You can buy at 1950, expect it to rise for 54-55, then 60 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic rising. MACD has been trading bearish. It is willing to converge crossover. It has not yet crossed over. And if you look at RSI, has also hit a bottom and now trying to retrace. Now look at the 3-hour chart. See, firstly on the 3-hour charts, 1940 is a stronger support. Multiple candles here, and it has got the support every time it has hit those levels, and now it is trying to reverse again, trying to look upwards. Also you can see that there is a reversal sign. With that as reversal, first green candle, there could be second green candle, which might take it for 1950-54 zone. Very good resistance. See, 54 to 60 is what it will definitely try to achieve today, and at those levels, that is between 54 and 60, we will see how it behaves. That is the level beyond which a little more bullishness definitely can be expected, where you can expect it to hit 67 and then 72, and beyond that, sky is the limit. Let's see if it completely reverses today or not. Right now it appears to be pulling up. Possibly we may see couple or more green candles here. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic, oversold, trying to recover from the oversold levels. MACD is extremely bearish here. You can see a fat belly here, and this indicates extreme divergence, but then because of the fat belly, it can try to converge here, which means that the candle size has to flatten here, and hence little more bullishness, little more green candles can be expected. RSI almost flat. And on the 4-hour chart, now looking at 4-hour charts, again 40 levels, very good support. One bullish candle, second bullish candle, third candle may fall shy of this, or in fact can try to achieve the highs. and this zone is certainly achievable throughout this day possibly. That is what we can see here. You can see the moving averages are now trading with divergence. It is indicating a slight bearishness. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is oversold on the 4-hour charts. MACD is bearish here. And if you look at can you see the fat belly here? It is the same indication, the fat belly here, and hence it has to converge, and that is what has happened here also. After fat belly, it has taken a sharp reversal and we have seen a good rise. Same thing what we can expect, and whatever has happened here also can be replicated. Now we have seen multiple times since couple of days that this is symmetry here. If you take this as bottom, you can see this consolidation, though it tried to break on one occasion here, but if you see this identical, and you can mirror this here, one green candle, couple of red candles, consolidation, the green candle, the red candle, the bottom, and now it is trying to look upward. So if it reverses from here, this time it may try to hit 1985 levels, because see, this is symmetry, it is trying to form, and possibly from here it can try to rise faster here. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD is still bearish here, and if you look at RSI, this is at bottom trying to retrace a bit. Now looking at the daily chart. On the daily charts, most important, it is seeing a consolidation of flat bottom and lower high. This is a narrowing triangle. It has to come out of this squeeze in order to take a direction. Remember, the breakout now below 1940 levels is going to be sharper, and this will try to bring more correction. I will wait for 1936, 1930, and then below that it will try to hit 1915, 1920 zone. Very good support exists there. But till what levels you can expect a reversal? See, first of all, at this zone, that is 1957.60. If at any point of time, if it stays above 1960, the chances of reversal will be less here. In fact, as soon as it passes by half the candle size, which means 1955 levels, if it passes by, the chances of reversal will diminish. Hence, I will just wait for it to break past this zone at 1955.60, certainly above which you can say that we may see it hitting higher highs, and in fact it can try to form the top out there. Now look at the formation as we saw on the 4-hour charts. Yes, the support there is important. Lower highs are seen, possibly breaking past this zone. At least these levels at 85 can be expected. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is looking down. The MACD is willing to converge crossover, but remember, it is already trading at a bottom after a long bearish move there, and right now it is trying to consolidate around this zone. RSI at bottom trying to recover here. Considering this, you can buy at 1950. However, 1954, 57, 60, these are the three levels which it needs to pass by in succession, and only if it stays above 1960. More bullishness, where we'll wait for 1967, 72, and beyond that it will directly land to 1985 levels. On the downside, below 1940, you can stay short below 1940, where you rather I will say below 1944 itself you can stay short, but then wait for 1940 levels to be breached. Below 1940, then only you can expect little more bearishness, where you can expect it to hit 1936.30, and below 1930 directly it will land to 1950, 1920, and then 1900 levels cannot be denied. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch starts on 1st of July. Registrations are open. You can reserve your seats now itself. Only limited entries we give, and hence reserve your seats in advance. Reach out to me for more details on my Signals channel or my mentorship batch. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly chart. See, first of all, the moving averages were trading with divergence. The price was divergent from the moving average. It has converged till here. Now I'll wait for it to break past 2390 and 24 zone. Only above, if it trades above 24, you can expect little more bullishness. See, 24 previously was a good support. Now this will try to provide a little resistance. So you can buy here at 2390, wait for 24 to be breached, and beyond that little more. Till 2430 you have to be watchful, and beyond that it can try to fly high. Now look at direction movement, moderately bullish. Stochastic back to overbought levels. MACD crossing over here, trading with little divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI back in the comfortable zone, neither bullish nor bearish, neither overbought nor oversold, rather I should say. And if you look at 2-hour chart, see after the consolidation, first green candle, there could be chance of this green candle to take it till towards 23.90, $24 levels. Only about 24 we can expect little more rise, which can pull the prices till towards 24.20, and staying above 24.20, then only 24.20, 24.30, then only further bullishness can be confirmed. Remember, I will show you on the daily charts why 2360 was an important level. It is still consolidating here. Higher lows are seen, that is most important. It has covered the journey till here. The rally started from here. It has completed the journey till here. Now looking upwards. Direction movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is rising. MACD has been trading bearish, now willing to converge crossover. RSI has hit a bottom, trying to recover. Now looking at 3-hour, on the 3-hour chart, see it has formed a tail. Let it break past by 23.90. You can expect $24 levels. Now 24 is the level beyond which little more increasing bullishness can be seen, and I will wait for it to break past by 24.20. Then if it sustains about 24.20, certainly you can say that silver is reversed and it is going to fly high. Direction movement bearish, stochastic oversold, trying to recover. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI almost flat at bottom. And on the 4-hour charts, look at 4-hour charts, see higher lows, higher highs. Certainly about 24 only further bullishness is confirmed. Similar observation, nothing different. And if you look at the formation, see this was the consolidation zone here at 2340, 2360, and then this rally started. The price has seen now 2360 levels, now trying to look upwards. Look at the formation here, the rise, the retracement, the rise, the retracement. Now it is trying to look back up again. But here the important part is the moving averages are now looking downwards, and till $24 levels it has got maximum resistance. It has to stay above these levels in order to confirm the rise. Direction movement bearish, stochastic rising from the oversold levels. MACD is bearish, trying to converge, and RSI is also trying to look upwards and indicate slight bullishness. Coming to the daily chart. First of all, look at these two lines. You can see this is an expanding and bearish triangle in which silver is trying to trade. You can see this high, and these two highs here beautifully aligned, and this channel is still restricting silver to fly high. That is the first part. On the downside, support is seen where you can see multiple candles supporting here on this channel. Now look at the bottom here. You will find, see, if you connect the dots, you will find it is silver is still trading in this bullish channel, and this is a retracement channel. Hence this is the zone between 2440, 2460. If this breaks past by, directly it will lend to $25 levels. We have seen it again and again, and I am telling you again and again. Though it has traded bearish so far, it has dropped till towards the bottom of this channel. But dropping till the bottom of channel is equally important. See the rise, retracement, then the highs of this channel, then retracement, then the highs of this channel, then the retracement. Now till the time it respects the channel, that is 2360, 2340 zone, you can expect it to achieve the highs of the channel. And right now we can see it respecting the bottom very, very beautifully. Now after this single rise, see multiple candles, and this rise is completely negated. This single candle is completely negated. The prices are very well within this move, and hence now it started to look upwards again. Just $24 levels, if it breaches past by, more bullishness can be expected there. Direction movement is bearish, stochastic has dropped, MACD is in green, but it is trying to converge crossover, and RSI is flat. Considering this, you can buy here at 2390 and sell at 2370. If you are selling at 2370, you have to be careful of 2360, 50, 40. Till 2340 it has got maximum support. Below 2340 it is going to crash heavily on the downside for 2320, 23 and 2280 levels. Till 2280 also it has got very, very good support on the downside. Hence, yes, you can sell here at 2370 levels, but be cautious till 2360, 50, 40. 2340 to 60, very, very good resistance. On the upside, once it stays above $24 levels, more bullishness can be seen there, where you can expect 2420. 2420 is a greater resistance, only above which you can expect little more bullishness. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.